Clouds meeting in the sky, what have they seen while traveling above? The world inside me, ocean feelings, waking up to sunrise. Stars are shining, a scream inside. What do you see inside my eyes? Me inside the world, feelings turned into ocean. Look into my eyes, can you see what's inside? If I were a color, I would be one every day. I would explore all shades. I would live in a wonder if one day I can find myself. I would experience their character, looking into their soul. If I were a color, I would not be just one. I would find beautiful fittings of the tones as I would look for a soulmate.
Oh,
Beautiful.
that's our first poetry session we've ever had.
Yeah.
I love this audience.